Just let them keep piling in.
Figures he's got some over here.
Oh my God, he's gonna land on me. Shoot these hair.